Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my first official vlog on my channel. Anyway, so I'm at Fraser Hotel in Abuja. I came to visit a friend, so I was like, okay, why not do a vlog, show you guys around what Fraser Hotel looks like. So I'm going to be taking you around the room, the bedroom, and the apartment. Okay, so guys, this is what I look like. Yeah, this is what the room looks like. They have a TV. This is the wardrobe. Not bad. This is what the wardrobe looks like. And they have another wardrobe here. Yeah, this is another wardrobe which has a mirror. Like now you can see what I look like in the mirror. This is the bed. Don't mind my friend. They haven't come to arrange the room, so the bed is not that tidy. Pardon us. So this is what the bed looks like. They have an ironing board in the room. They have a lamp, a phone which you can use to call. They have a mini sit out here. Yeah, that's just it. So in front of the TV, they have a table, a chair, and this little box. I don't know if I think she has removed what was inside the box. So let's go to the bedroom. So in the bedroom, they have, I think these boards, guys, and they have this. The window is well ventilated. I like the lighting of the bedroom. So this is the mirror. The mirror is not that bad. So I like this, and this is where you take your bath. You have a shower. Not bad. I think it's spacious and all. Yeah. I find this cute. This silver thing so cute. This is where you get tissue from. Yeah. And normally they give them shampoo, so I think this is soap. Like I said, they haven't cleaned the room, so they haven't brought like a new shampoo and everything. Comes with a shower cap, a vanity set, manicure set, and all. Not bad. Not bad at all. So let's go into the living space. My friend is shy, don't mind her. So in the living space, it also has a big TV. It has a phone. There's a diffuser and whatever. I love how everything is, and I love the window space. Like the lighting is mad. So that's what I love. I love the cushion. I love the color. If you know me, I love neutrals, and this nude chair is so beautiful. And I love the pillows they used on it. Actually, for what they are paying, they need to do more. So don't mind us. My things are on the dining table scattered, so forgive me for that. So this is the dining table where when you cook, you can come and sit down and all. So apart from, there's also a window view, a view here where you can see the whole of Abuja. So yeah, beside, or is it backwards or opposite the dining table, you also have a mini sit out, or is it room or something where you can sit and it's the table has a drawer and everything. It has this cute lamp, and I like this work of art. I think this is peculiar to the Igbo people, and also I don't know what. Okay, it's a lamp. It's a very cute lamp. So this is what the kitchen looks like. You have the microwave. You have the zinc, the wardrobe. This is where you throw your Guys, this is soap for washing plates. I don't think I want to show you the freezer, but this is what the freezer looks like. And I like how they packaged everything. Everything is not like clustered and everything. So the freezer is inside, the dustbin is inside, and this is where the set of cutleries are. And gloves, like tish people like them. This is where all dispose for cooking and all. And this is where the pot is. I was telling my friend that I don't understand. So if I want to cook amala and egusi, it's one pot. One pot. Anyway, the pot looks cute. And I feel if you want to cook and you need extra pot, you can like call and they will bring more for you. So this is a coffee maker. Just it's not really this coffee maker to are you serious? Which girl like me? I'm not going to use it because I don't even know how to operate it. So they have the tea bag, they have the coffee, they have the brown sugar and white sugar, and they also have the kettle. Yeah. And I was also telling you to know that what if I want Milo and milk? What if I don't want coffee? Okay, better. So this is where they keep the plates. Don't let me spoil what I don't want to spoil. So okay, so this is where the saucers are, the cups, grater, in case you want to grate okra in your apartment. So this is how everything. So this is my friend. Don't mind her. So basically, this is the view of everything. Like I showed you, the room. And for the amount you are paying, I feel this is cute, this is nice. And in a second, I will show you what the food looks like. See what their food menu looks like, as rich as they are. This is what they are not like other common hotels that give you paper to look at what you want to order and everything. It's on the TV, so let me go close enough. This is what their menu. You guys should pay me. See, I'm showing you, I'm giving you a tour of everywhere. So we are going downstairs to see the inside. I don't know if you guys can see this part. It's eating green pepper. Green pepper that is expensive. This is what the poolside is. This is what the poolside looks like. So beautiful. I like this palm tree. So this is where the swimming pool they have this beautiful cultural background. I mean, we have the notes inside.